Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video about S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So let's get started. This is a S&P 500 weekly chart, and if I have it here, I'm gonna show you. I don't think well, I do have it. So this is how the monthly chart looks like, right? So we have one, two big, we have three, four, and this. I think we have five ended here, and we started to drop. So the weekly chart is yeah, like this, right? Nothing important here. But this drop here, that's the main concern. And if you look at the daily chart of this thing, is this right now, right? So this is a big drop here in a straight line. And this is what I'm looking at, that we might be able to go up into this area, rising from here. Already we started to rise, right? From this expansion, extension, you can see it's 161% actually, should I say, right? And this is 61% of this whole rise here. On a weekly chart, you can see clearly, I guess, where the heck is weekly chart? Right here, right? No, uh, let me see, yeah. If I pull the fib from here to here, and then you can see we almost, not clearly, but almost touched the 61%. So usually from 61%, we go back to 23% line, which will be this high on the left here, right? So let's take a look at the daily chart here. That's what it is. So we're bouncing from here, this area, and then I'm looking at this number here, and these are the couple of numbers, right? 5907, and 50% of this drop, and 61% is right here. So this is what I'm looking at, S&P 500 daily, that we're going to retrace for wave 2 or B, and then maybe we're going to drop or what, time will tell, right? Similarly, Nasdaq weekly chart, you look at this nice, beautiful channel is made. You draw the, TL here, then, copy the duplicate, and then put, place the TL here, and the price came and touched this, and then start bouncing. So now pull the fib from here to here, and you see that 61% is touched to the pip, and we started to bounce already. So again, same story here as well. And the daily chart of this looks like this, right? So it's same as S&P 500, all the way down here, and then bouncing from 61% of this whole rise. And this pull the fib from here to here, then 50% and 61% are coming here. Based on this, that usually we go back to 23% line after touching 61, which we did already here. Then 20%, 23% line of this fib is right there, and 61% of this fib is right there. And these are the lows here, a few lows here that we have to deal with, and then one of these levels. Or I don't know. I mean, it's too many lows here, right? So let's see. Let's get there into this area, and in this territory, we will know exactly what it is. That's why I have a TP here, because I have a trade open already from the bottom on this one. And let's see if it goes all the way and then reach into this area, right? So more clearly, the short time frame that I use, a 40-minute chart, for example, S&P 500, it looks like this. So this is a big, trend coming down. Trend line is there, right? So it's coming down, down, down. So every time it goes like this was a short entry, this was a short entry, short entry, short entry, short entry. And then all of a sudden we break above the TL, and then this looks like, to me, like we have A, and then A, B, and then C. So wave 1 and 2, or A or B for correction, and then we go back to here into this area for wave C. So I'll mark these and then send the charge to my subscribers in my Telegram. Right? So this is S&P 500 40-minute chart that I have it, and I have a smaller time frame where I make the entry from. Similarly, if you look at the 40-minute of Nasdaq, this is how the Nasdaq 40-minute chart, almost the same thing. This is also again wave 1 or A, and then 2 or B, and then going up for C or 3 to the upside, right? So Nasdaq, like I said, that this is the area that I'm looking at near these lows here. So some of these lows, maybe this one, is gonna stop, maybe drop from there, and then bounce again, and then go for this level. So let's see what happens. But on both of these things, I'm expecting that that up move is gonna come next week, in the beginning at least, and then after that, I don't know what will happen later on, right? So this week, from 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, probably we will do just fine. But then the following week, we have tariffs coming in April 2nd. And then we have no idea what the heck is going to happen, right? So be ready and be careful. All right. So this is it for now. And thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can get my setups ahead of time. So see you in the next video.